go, 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 go.
Hello guys, welcome again to my channel Excel Guru. Guys, this video I am presenting through English only because there are some people who are not very much comfortable in Hindi. So what I decided, for a same series, one I will made in Hindi and one I will made in English, so that people who are not comfortable in Hindi, they can also subscribe my channel, and they can get the suggestion and inputs and the training which I mentioned in my video. This video will going to help to those people who really want to go for an interview in which Excel formula may be asked by the interview taker, or suppose you are already in the office but you want to prepare an Excel report. Basics you should know. So what I had cover is only 3 to 4 points in each video. The reason I am making a short video, that is just because if I teach you only 3 to 4 points, you can easily by heart in your mind. But if I make a 1 or 2 hour video, it is very tough for anyone to keep all the inputs in mind for long duration. Okay guys, so let us not waste the time and start. So guys, let's start. Firstly, let us open an Excel, then we'll see like what are the subject, what are the points we're going to cover here. Okay, but please I would request very carefully what's the video, and practically you do practice from your end. Getting my point? Let's start. So guys, if you see, this is an Excel sheet in which first of all we will going to learn the basics. This video is not for those people who are mastered in Excel, but yeah, definitely this is important for those people who are having zero idea in Excel, but they want to go for an interview. See, if you see like this is an Excel. The first question they may ask you, the question will be what is column and what is row. Getting my point? So the first point is, if you see, these are boxes. You are saying, okay, these are column. Actually, suppose if somebody asks you where is F column, then you will say, okay, this is F column. Okay, this is G column, this is A column. These are columns. Like if somebody asks you, okay, then what is row? Row means these are 2 is row, 3 is row, these are row. From the left to right side, whatever is blanking, this is called actually row. But from top to bottom, this is known as column. And these boxes which you see square, these are known as cells. This is very basics actually, but yeah, you should know. Now the first point which you're going to learn is, I can give an example like how to insert a column. Suppose this is A, okay, this is C, this is the heading, this is A heading, this is C heading. But the interview taker may ask you about, okay, do one thing, insert one column in between A and C. Okay, what you are going to do, you simply do one thing, simply click on the upper side of the heading, means you click on the column, then click right click through your mouse. While you click right click through your mouse, you will see some pop-up like cut, copy, insert, delete. You need to click in insert. The moment you click insert, automatically one column will come, blank column will come. So this is A, this is C, this is the additional column which you insert. Okay, same way in row side also, suppose this is A, this is B. Now interview taker may ask you do one thing. I need one extra row in between A and B. What you're going to do? The process is same. You need to right click here, then again insert pop-up will come. Simply click insert. Hope you are seeing the screen. So this is row, and this is how you need to insert columns and row. Okay, this is very basics actually. Maybe for people like who are having Excel idea, this is nothing for them, but yes, this is good for those people who are very new in Excel. Anyway, come to the point, guys. Today we're going to learn about len. Okay, then we're going to learn about trim, then we're going to learn about count if. Okay, let us learn about len. What is len and when to use len? Guys, len is normally people use, suppose there is a word, okay, or there are some contents in one cell or one column, you can say. And then if somebody asks you, tell me the content counts or tell me the letter counts or symbol counts in this next column or the next cells. Example, suppose if somebody's name is David, example I'm saying David. Okay, now if I use the len, so len formula, how you are going to use? Equal to len, len. See what is going to happen. Click len, then first bracket. How you are going to use the first bracket? Shift, then in the 9 upper side you will see bracket, so that is called len first bracket. Then select the cell from which, against which you need the output, then again bracket close. C D E means what? 1 2 3 4 5. So this is what 5 is showing, means this cell 5 contains, you can say 5 letters are there in the same cell. I'm giving you one more example. Suppose this is fine. Suppose if I do one thing, this David, okay, before writing or while I am pasting, suppose one space is there, default one space, then let me write down DEVID, David. Let's see what output will come. Sorry, David. Let us use the len formula, len, what, first bracket. Okay, select this and bracket close. Now see, the letter counts are same, but here it is showing 6 letters. Why? It's not actually letters only, it is 6 contents, you can say. Why? Because len calculate even the space also, even comma also. Give an example, suppose if I give comma, then it will reflect a 7. Getting my point? So what I said while I'm mentioned David, I had given one space intentionally, or maybe without intention, by mistake you may write a word by putting one space. In such case, len will show you wrong output. Okay, now this is how you're going to use len. Okay, now the second question is, suppose this is David, there is a space, so that's why this issue is there. Now how you're going to remove the space from in between, after or before a word? See, there is a manual process. Like suppose if you select the David, the name started from D, prior to D, if you use the backspace, then the space will be removed and the output will come similar like the upper one, like here also 5, here also 5. Getting my point? But this is just because 2 words, so you can rectify through manually also. But what if the data is about 1 lakhs, 1000, 2000, 3000. You cannot rectify manually one by one. So in such case, what you're going to use? You're going to use trim formula. Let us use trim also. Okay, fine. Equal to TRIM, trim. Okay, use trim. Again first bracket. Then let us use debit. Okay, debit. See, there is a process called, suppose if I want to add the formula, same formula against the second point also, this is second point, you no need to repeat the formula again and again. You need to write down. Simply what you can do, simply select the first formula wherever you want, simple control D you paste, automatically the formula will come. Okay, so this stream, this stream. Now let me show you what happened. See, here it is showing 5, here it is 6. Okay, this is debit, this is debit, this is also debit, this is also debit. Let us see, again use len, len. Now you will see what will be the output. Len, then you can select this first word. Okay, again control D. Because why I use control D? Because the formula same I wanted to paste. So instead of writing again and again, let us just use control D, then automatically the same formula will come downstairs or down cells. Now here you see 5 is coming, 5 is coming. I had not done any manual work, I had not deleted any space through manually. What I used trim. So hope you understand. Trim means to make or remove all the unwanted symbols, not exactly symbols actually, unwanted spaces before and after of any of the word. Okay, so in such case, firstly use trim, then go for len. Always remember, you always use len, firstly use the trim. Okay, now suppose this is the data was given to you. What you did, you firstly did trim formula. Once you did the trim, suppose this is the output. Okay, here you use the trim against this. Getting a point? After trim, what you are going to do, you just simply copy the column or data, you can say. I am saying data because only 2.2 cells are there, but if data is in bulk, then you need to select the entire column. Okay, anyhow, okay, see, you just select this, copy, then click here, right click, you will see paste special. Click there. After clicking paste special, you will see some pop-up will come like all formulas, values, formats. You do want this, simply click values. Okay, then click OK. Now you see what happened. I had not removed the space through manually. I simply used the trim against the word. Once the outputs comes, simply copy those output and paste in the same column against whom you need output. Okay, so this is actually called trim. Now what is count if? Guys, count if is very easy. When this count if to be used is, I am giving an example. Like suppose in a class, example I am giving you. Suppose this is name. This is like Mr. A, Mr. V. Okay, this is Mr. A. Suppose Mr. V, then Mr. C. Okay guys, okay, now this is suppose a date you have mentioned. Suppose this is date 1, like suppose this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. Now hope you are seeing the things. Now suppose total present requires, total present is required. Okay, Now suppose this is P. I'm giving an example. Okay, suppose these all are P, but this person had taken week off on this date, one absent, this person 1 week off, one suppose week off. Okay, now suppose somebody asks you about like Mr. A, show me the present count of Mr. A, show me the week off count of Mr. V, show me the present count of Mr. C. So this might of question may comes, or while you make a roster or make an attendance, definitely this you have to do. Okay, for 2 or 3% you can give the output through manual calculation, but what if you are maintaining a 300 people in a same office, 5,000, 6,000, 3,000? In such case you cannot calculate manually. Getting my point? So the formula would be COUNT count if COUNT count. See, while you click the first letters of a formula, automatically it will come. If you see, while I use COUNT, then all the formulas start from COUNT will come. Then what we need? Count if. Okay, then select the range. Range means data you need to select from here to end where 7 is our end point. Okay, then sorry, I did wrong. I had selected, then comma. Remember, count if, select the range, then what? Then double comma, then you select, suppose you need P count, means present counts, then mention the common letter or word against what you need output. See, here it is showing 5. Now tell me one thing, here it is showing 5, so let us count once. 1 2 3 4 5. So that's why it's 5 showing. Here also 5 showing in the second. See, here also it is showing 5, but here it is showing 7. Why? Because all the letters are P only. He or she has not taken any P or any week off and absence. Sorry. So this is why this is showing 7. So guys, hope you understand. This video is almost taken 15 minutes. It is a bit late, but I would request kindly don't just see the video and just skip and you go for another prank video and song. Please enjoy your life, but learn all this points so that you can, at least nobody can reject you during interview, or you cannot say no to your boss while making a report, or somebody asks you about, do you know how to make this report? Easily you can say yes, I can. Anyway guys, so I would request, please subscribe my this channel, like this, and mention what formula you want to learn in my second video. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.